Hey guys, it's Mark. In this video, we're talking about spam on Gmail. So first we're going to start on Android. We'll hop over there. To find your spam folder, you click on the three lines, the hamburger menu up top left, and then you scroll down and there's one that says spam with an exclamation point. So that's how you find the spam folder. Let's say there's something in here that you don't think is spam and you want to get out of that folder. You could click on that email and then there's a gray box that hops up right below it and you can click report not spam. So then it won't go to your spam folder in the future. If there's something else in your, let's say you're in a different inbox, we go back up top here. Let's say you're in your promotions and there's something that you want to mark as spam. There's a couple ways you can do it. You could just click on the left side and it'll make a blue check mark or a blue circle with a white check in there. And then you click on the three dots up top and you can click report spam. That's one way to do it. Another way is you can just simply open the email itself if you want to look at it a little bit more. You can unsubscribe, which we've showed you in another video, or you can click the three dots. You can block the sender, or if you click at the three dots at the very top, you can go there and you can report spam that way. So that's how you find your spam folder on an Android device for Gmail. How you can take something out of spam if you don't think it's spam, and how you can look through individual emails and report them as spam. Now let's hop over to desktop and I'll show you how to do it there, including setting up a filter so that you can filter out certain types of messages that you know you're not going to want to receive. Okay, now we're on desktop. I'm going to show you how to find your spam folder on desktop and also create a filter, which you can only do on desktop. It's not available on an Android right now. So to find the spam folder on desktop, you go over to the left-hand menu, click on More, and then you'll scroll down and you'll see it looks like a stop sign with an exclamation mark in it. That's your spam folder. So if there's something in here that you don't think deserves to be in your spam folder, maybe you want to start receiving those emails now, you marked it as spam another time, you can click on the check mark next to it and you can click not spam. So that's one way you can do it. Also, if there are domains that you don't want to ever be marked as spam, you can click on the check mark there. You can click on these search options next to the search box up top, and then you can say anything from whatever the domain is that you want there and you can pick the folder here. Right now we're looking in spam. You can click create filter, and then you can do this as never send it to spam. So let's say they're in your spam folder now, you don't want it to go to spam, you can click never send it as spam. So that's how you can get things out of spam if you want. Let's say you're in your promotions box or another inbox and you find something that you do want to be marked as spam. Click on the email and then there are three dots there and mark it as spam. You can report spam, report phishing, whatever it might be. So that's how you find the folder, how you create a filter. Another way you can create a filter on desktop is simply clicking on the gear box there, see all settings. It's at the menu up top with the different folders. It's filters and blocked addresses, and then create a new filter and say, I want to star it, or I want to delete it, forward it, never mark it as spam, all sorts of options on there. So this was Mark. Thanks for watching this video. If you have questions, leave a comment for us and we'll get back to you on those. There's also a great help article we've created. And thanks for joining. Have a great day.